Hey guys, welcome back to Watson
BFS. I'm in the back of it, so yeah, you can't see me.
So today I will be teaching you about prime and composite numbers. So a prime number is any number that only has two factors. We'll use 11 for example. 1 times 11 are the only two factors for 11. So 1 and 11. Then for 24, the factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, and 6, which is 8 factors. Then 0 and 1 actually aren't composite or prime. So 0, I don't know why it's not a composite or prime number, but then 1 isn't a composite or prime number because it only has one factor. 1 times 1 is the only thing that will get you to 1. So 1 is its only factor, and that's why it's not a prime and composite number. Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you guys next time. Woo!